Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the American Plant Exchange, Sansevieria, or most commonly known as a snake plant. I have loved using this plant here in my home because I feel that it just works really great as an air purifier, and it's also really pretty. I like the colors that it has, the greens, and I also find that this plant is very easy to maintain. It's low maintenance, so even if I don't water it once a week, which is all you really need, it's a very forgiving plant, and it does allow more time to without water. So it's very easy to maintain. It literally thrives on neglect in that way. But you can also use this plant in every single part of the house too, because it is either an outdoor plant, it thrives really nicely, but it can also be used indoor, which is nice. So I want to show you more closely what this plant looks like. As you can see, this snake plant is very beautiful. It's a beautiful house plant. It has elegant green and black upright sword-like leaves. And I really feel that this plant just adds so much more elegance to your house as well. It's a very good-looking plant. So I recommend this plant if you're looking for a plant that is multi-purpose, that is not only a really nice decorative plant, but also a natural air purifier. I would definitely recommend this one, and that's my point of view.